welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and tonight we visit Pizza Fabbrica, which is located at 8 Haji Lane in Singapore. So let's go take a look. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pizza Fabbrica is your authentic Italian wood-fired pizzeria and bar. It's located in the vibrant Kampong Glam area of Singapore, and it serves traditional Italian recipes in this fabulous modern setting. There are many appetizers to select, including one of our favorites, the pan-seared Hokkaido scallops, served with carrot puree, spinach, pine nuts, and caviar to top it all off. A standout are the risotto balls stuffed with mozzarella cheese and served with arrabbiata sauce. The gamberi con zucchini are grilled tiger prawns and roasted zucchini tossed in a bisque. These prawns are beyond delicious, plump, wholesome and fresh. The homemade pork sausages on the spicy side are served with grilled vegetables. And what's an Italian experience without calamari fritti? These herb-crusted calamari rings are lightly chilied to give that extra zing. Pizza Fabbrica make food in or close to the traditional way with simple, natural and fresh ingredients from a family recipe or a recipe that's been handed down from generation to generation. Leave some room for the star of your meal, pizza napolitana. Or pizza at Pizza Fabbrica are prepared Neapolitan style, which is fired in the wood fire oven, burning at around 500 degrees Celsius for no more than 90 seconds, giving the crust the authentic char. What meal wouldn't be complete without a sweet sensation? We experienced the torta al cioccolato, a chocolate lava cake served with espresso gelato. So, there you have it. Pizza Fabbrica, which is located at 8 Haji Lane. Beautiful Neapolitana pizzas cooked in a traditional fashion where they're actually wood-fired at high heat for 90 seconds. Some of the best crusts in town. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.